arkadaşlar, Merhaba kanalımıza hoş geldiniz. Lütfen abone olmayı, paylaşmayı fakat çevrenizdekilerle ve arkadaşlarınızla unutmayınız arkadaşlar. Bugün İngilizcenin önemli bir konusu preposition, yani edatlar demek arkadaşlar. İngilizce ve Türkçe'de bu yapılar biraz farklı. Türkçe'de edatlar kelimenin arkasına gelirken İngilizce'de ise edatlar kelimenin önüne gelmektedir. Ayrıntılı bir şekilde ve örneklerle şimdi göreceğiz. Şarek, come over here.
Oh, hello my dear student. Welcome to Men in Black channel. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. What is the topic Ashkan today?
Today we are going to teach them preposition.
Preposition.
Yes.
It's important. Okay, so our topic is preposition. Let's learn it.
Arkadaşlar, edat bir ismin önüne gelerek o ismi yer yapan ifadeler, kelimelerdir arkadaşlar. Şarek, go ahead.
Okay, preposition. So what is preposition? When we use it? How we use it? What is the definition? We are going to learn it. So preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of the sentence. So preposition shows the relation between noun and a pronoun. So what is noun and what is pronoun? We already learned in
That's
parts
right.
of speech. So examples: at, on, in, between, near, below, from, under, etc. These are the examples of preposition.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar, Şarek'in açıkladığı gibi preposition ne demektir? Günlük hayatta duyarsınız. Altında, üstünde, yanında, bitişinde gibi kelimelerin hepsi preposition, yani edatlardır arkadaşlar. Gördüğünüz gibi at, on, in, between, near, below, from, last one, under. Shall I go ahead?
Yeah. So there are two preposition: preposition of time, preposition of place. As you see on the board, at, in, on, also in preposition of time, at, in, on, in preposition of place. It's very similar, but is time, another is place. How we use it? Let's see. At 10:30. It means 10:30, 9:30 is when you mention about time. At lunch, at night, at 4 o'clock, at the moment.
Evet arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi zaman edatları ve yer edatları olarak bizler iki gruba ayırdık. Şimdi görelim onları. Gördüğünüz gibi at 10:30 diyor, saatlerde, öğünlerde, geceyi anlatırken diğer tam saatlerde, son olarak da dakikalarda bizler at preposition'ı kullanırız. Shall I go ahead?
Okay, in April, in summer, in 1994, in the past, in the morning.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi in preposition'ı ise nerelerde kullanırız? Aylarda, yıllarda, mevsimlerde, geçmişte ve sabah, in the morning diyerek burada in'i kullanırız. Shall I go ahead?
On, so like on Tuesday, on Monday, on Sunday, you can say on 15th October, on my birthday, on our anniversary, and on Halloween. But you need
This
to
is
remember
important.
something very important. When you say in April, it's fine. But when you mention exact date, for example, on 15th October, so when you mention the exact time, so you will use on 15th October.
Perfect.
Like this.
Arkadaşlar, on preposition'ı ise günlerde, aylarda, doğum günlerinde, yeni kutlamalarda ve Cadılar Bayramı, Halloween, right?
Yes.
Cadılar Bayramı. Bunlarda ise bizler on kullanırız. Fakat bir istisna vardır. Gördüğünüz gibi biz in'de de aylarda söyledik. Fakat on kullanımında ise ayın içindeki exact, yani kesin bir tarih belirtirken on preposition'ı kullanırız arkadaşlar. Şöyle go ahead.
Okay, preposition of place. You see, we separate in two group. Preposition of time is done. Now we are going on preposition of place. So at the door, at a party, at a school, at work. For example, I am at work like this. At the cinema.
Arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi iki gruba ayırdık. Birincisini anlattık. İkincisi ise yer preposition'ları. At the door, at a party, at school, at work, at the cinema. Go ahead with it.
In the classroom, in Tokyo, in the car, in the sea, in a picture.
In the classroom, in Tokyo, in the car, in the sea, in a picture. Gördüğünüz gibi yer ifade eden Positionlar. Go ahead with on.
On the table, on the first floor, on the right, on the bus, on television.
On the table. On the first floor. On the right. On the bus. On TV. Sharek, what is the next?
Next, we are going to do something very interesting with the preposition. I know you understand it. We will see more preposition in a very exciting way because our motto is to teach you in a fun, easy and
That's right.
exciting way.
I agree with you, man.
Let's do it, Ashkan.
Haydi arkadaşlar, örneklerle ve açıklamalarla devam ediyoruz. Evet arkadaşlar, preposition konusuna örneklerle devam edeceğiz. But he said that he has interesting way. I'm going to ask him right now, what is it? Sharek,
Yeah.
what is that?
This and nazar boyuncu, right?
Nazar boncuğu.
Nazar boncu.
Yeah, that's right.
We say in English amulet or evil eye bead. So, Ashkan, we are going to teach them in exciting way and in a practical way with this thing.
Perfect. Evet arkadaşlar, tahtadaki prepositionları Sharek'e söyleyeceğim. Elindeki nesnelerle açıklamaya çalışacak. Sharek, I'm going to start right now and then you are going to show students, okay?
Exactly.
Deal?
Yes.
Perfect. So, the first one I'm going to say, behind.
Behind. So this is a box and nazar boyuncu is behind.
Perfect.
So this is behind. This is called behind.
Below.
Below. So this is below. This is below.
Perfect. Between.
Between. Ashkan, for between you need to help me.
Sure.
Yes. So you can see the pen is between nazar boyuncu, which is called amulet or evil eye bead, with and the box. This is called between.
Perfect. Next to.
Next to. Next to is like this. This is next to. Like Ashkan is next to me.
In.
In. So this is in.
Perfect. Near.
Near. So this is near. Like this side near. Like Ashkan is also near to me. Like next to, near to is almost similar. Yeah, but sometimes it's different.
In front of.
In front of. So as you see, this is behind. You bring it. This is in front of.
Perfect. On.
On. So you can see this is on the box. Nazar boyuncu on the box. You can also put it. This is on. On. I mean that on your head. It must be touching.
Okay. Above.
Above. So what is the difference between on and above? This is on. I put it. The nazar boyuncu amulet is on the box. And above, when you put it little bit up, this is above. So this is on. This is above.
Perfect. Under.
Under. Okay. So as you see, under. This is in. And when you like turn it out, like you put it, this is under. But I'm not putting on the like this. This is called in. This is under. Like under the table.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Sharek.
Ashkan,
It
thank
was
you so
great.
much, yeah.
Okay. Right now, what's the next?
Next, we are going to give the examples of preposition.
Evet arkadaşlar, sizlere preposition'ların anlamlarını Sharek gösterdi. Şimdi örneklerle devam ediyoruz. Evet arkadaşlar, preposition konusuna örneklerle devam ediyoruz. Sharek, go ahead.
Okay, examples of prepositions. She comes from Japan.
She comes from Japan.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
We draw under the bridge.
We draw under the bridge.
The moon goes around the earth.
The moon goes around the earth.
Who is on the phone?
Who is on the phone?
She will come in December.
She will come in December.
The flight will depart at 8 a.m.
The flights will depart at 8 a.m.
And the last one, there is a door between the two rooms.
There is a door between the two rooms.
Now the homophones. Buy. So one buy is preposition, the first one. Second one, buy is purchase. I mean to buy something, to take something from the market or which place you want. So example, they have a house by the lake. Another example, I am going to buy a bread.
Evet arkadaşlar, homofon köşemize bakalım. İki tane kelimemiz. Bir tanesi buy, diğeri ise buy. Fakat gördüğünüz gibi okunuşları aynı, anlamları farklı. İlk buy edat, ikincisi ise fiil. Buy, preposition'a edat olduğunu söyledim. Buy ise purchase, yani satın almak arkadaşlar. Örneğimize bakalım. To have a house by the lake. Gölün kenarında ev ve sahipler. Is that what's that? They?
They,
Right?
just, yeah.
Yes.
They have. Sorry
Onlar,
about that, they have.
it's no problem man.
Yeah.
I'm here. Don't worry about this. Gölün kenarında eve sahipler arkadaşlar. Diğer cümlemizde ise I'm going to buy a bread. Bir ekmek satın alacağım. Sharek,
Yeah.
do you think? Is it enough today?
I think, yeah, we think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please watch it again, and if you have any question, let us know in the comment box. And don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Have a good day. Take care of you, and see you in the next session.
Perfect arkadaşlar, videomuzun sonuna gelmiş bulunmaktayız. Lütfen abone olmayı ve bildirim butonlarınızı açmayı unutmayınız. Kendinize iyi bakın. Görüşmek üzere.